Hey there, Keto Warriors. Welcome back to Keto Challenge Easy. If you're looking for a low-carb, high-flavor lasagna that won't kick you out of ketosis, you're in for a treat. Today, we're making the ultimate zucchini lasagna. It's cheesy, it's meaty, and it's so delicious you won't even miss the pasta. All right, let's get cooking. Here's what you'll need. 2 large zucchinis sliced thin because we're using these instead of noodles. 1 pound ground beef or turkey. 1 cup sugar-free marinara sauce because no one likes hidden carbs. 1 cup ricotta cheese. 1 cup shredded mozzarella because more cheese equals more happiness. 1/4 cup grated Parmesan. 1 egg to hold everything together. 2 cloves garlic minced. 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning. And salt and pepper to taste. Step-by-step magic. Prep the zucchini. Slice your zucchinis into thin strips and lay them on a paper towel. Sprinkle a little salt and let them sit for 10 minutes to draw out moisture. Then pat them dry. No one wants a watery lasagna. Cook the meat. Heat a pan over medium-high heat. Throw in the ground beef, add garlic, Italian seasoning, salt and pepper. Cook until brown, then pour in the sugar-free marinara sauce. Stir it up and let it simmer for a couple of minutes. Smells amazing. 3. Mix the cheese filling. In a bowl, mix ricotta, half of the mozzarella, Parmesan, and the egg. Give it a good stir. It's like the secret glue that holds our lasagna together. 4. Assemble like a pro. Spread a little meat sauce at the bottom of a baking dish. Layer zucchini slices like you're building a masterpiece. Spread some of that creamy ricotta mix on top. Add more meat sauce and repeat. Finish with the remaining mozzarella on top because, well, cheese is life. 5. Bake and enjoy. Pop it into a 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius oven for 30 minutes. Let it rest for a few minutes before slicing, if you can wait. And there you have it. A mouth-watering, keto-friendly lasagna that's only 5 net carbs per serving. Who needs pasta when you've got this? If you love this recipe, show some love by hitting that like button, share this with your fellow keto friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Keto Challenge Easy. Oh, and if you want more easy keto recipes, check out the link in the description for my top keto cookbook and meal plan. Comment below if you have any questions or if you want me to keto-fy your favorite dish next. Alright, happy cooking and stay keto strong. See you in the next video.